What's going on? It's Chris and Emily from LifterLMS, and you know what day it is. It's Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. Today we're going to go over a cool topic, which is how to sell courses in bulk using LifterLMS. There's actually kind of 3 different ways we're going to talk about that and show you how to do that through memberships, through vouchers, through groups. We're going to kind of unpack the different ways this question is asked, like what does bulk mean, and so on. I've also got a fun curveball for Emily. I know we'll be able to figure this one out, but it'll be a fun challenge. But I'll pass it over to you, to Emily. Take us to school on selling courses in bulk using LifterLMS.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Chris. So if I pull up my screen here, like Chris said, there's probably 2 different things people mean when they say, can I sell courses in bulk? They might mean selling a lot of courses to one person. So if we're taking a look at that example, we would use memberships, or they could mean I want to sell courses in bulk, meaning I want to sell one organization, a ton of courses. So if they want a bunch of seats in a course, for example, if they're a training organization with 100 employees and they want all 100 employees to take their training, that could also be selling a course in bulk. We'll talk about both examples. So the first one is if we want to sell all of the courses on our website or a bunch of courses on our website to an individual user, we would use a membership for that. So LifterLMS has memberships built in out of the box. So if we go to memberships, add new, we can create a membership, but I'm going to edit one of my existing memberships. This will be the same on a new or existing membership. And the feature we're going to be looking at is auto enrollment. If we scroll partway down the page and then click this tab, auto enrollment, we can see I have all of my courses listed under this membership. So what happens is when a student joins this membership, they'll automatically be enrolled into these courses. So I have all my courses added here, and we will have to add courses manually. If you add a new course to your website, you'll want to come to the auto enrollment section and add that course. So students will be auto enrolled in. When people purchase this membership through whatever the enrollment process is, they'll get access to all these courses. And then if they get removed from the membership, they'll lose access to all the courses. So that's one way that you could sell courses in bulk, is using auto enrollment along with memberships. But the other way that you could sell courses in bulk is if there's a training organization with, let's say, 100 employees that you're selling your training into. And so there's 2 ways that we could do that. The first way is with vouchers. This has been a feature of LifterLMS for a long time. The voucher system, if we go to orders, vouchers, add new voucher, we'll see the option to add a voucher at the top. So this would be Emily's sewing, I don't know if that's how you spell sewing, but Emily's Sewing Company. And this is maybe the company that's buying 100 courses from your website. We would select which course they're being enrolled into. Let's just say business budgeting. And then we can add the voucher codes below. We would say add 1 voucher with 100 uses. And so we now have 1 voucher with 100 uses. This is the voucher code. And then we could set up registration so people who have this voucher code from that company can come to our website and enroll. There's another way that we could do bulk enrollment, though, and it's not just through vouchers, but with groups. Groups is an add-on that comes in the Infinity Bundle LifterLMS has, but it can also be purchased individually. When that add-on is installed on your website, you go to groups on the sidebar and add new group. And on our groups interface, it's going to act similarly to vouchers, where we have one big company and we're selling a bunch of courses into it. But on our interface, we'll select the course or membership that we're going to enroll people into. Business, that's family budgeting. I wanted the business budgeting one. Let's see. Business budgeting. There it is. So we'll select the business or budgeting course, and then this will be sewing. So this is an alternative way to do enrollments in bulk into a single organization. We'll add 100 seats, and in this case, I'll add 101 because I'm an admin of the website. I'm Arthur Wells in this example, and so we'll add 100 seats so that there's 100 seats left that had been purchased. And groups also allows e-commerce now. So you could have people come to the business budgeting course directly and purchase 100 seats with LifterLMS groups. We have other content about how to get the most out of LifterLMS groups, but we just want to highlight that vouchers, groups are 2 ways to sell bulk courses into one training organization, and then memberships are a great way to sell courses in bulk, all the courses on your website, for example, to an individual user. So you could even include a membership as a part of a group that auto enrolls to a bunch of courses. So if you want to sell 100 seats to all the courses on your website, you could do that with groups and memberships. So whatever bulk means to you, you can do that with LifterLMS. But I'll pass it back to you, Chris.
That's a great demo. Appreciate that, Emily. I thought of one more way, which I know you know how to do. So it's going to be an easy curveball that you can, get people into courses in bulk. So let's take a quick look at, imagine if you want to pull up like the users table in WordPress.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to bulk enroll people into a bunch of courses, they can actually do it from there. So show us what you're doing there.
Yeah, so from the users panel, LifterLMS works on top of the WordPress user feature. So I can use this bulk select feature WordPress has. Usually you would use this to bulk delete users or send a password reset, whatever it might be. But LifterLMS adds a custom action over here on the right side. So we can say business budgeting enroll. I'll click this enroll button and it'll take all the users I've selected and enroll them into the business budgeting course. You can see there's some failed enrollments. That's probably because this is a demo site with demo users. But now all of my users are enrolled in business budgeting. For example, this person only has one course. It's probably the business budgeting course. So that's another way that we can take users who have been added to our website, potentially with a CSV file, and bulk enroll them just with this action to enroll in a course or a membership.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, well, thanks for that great demo, Emily. I knew that would be an easy curveball. I'll come up with a harder one for next week. Thanks for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, tell your friends, let us know what feature you'd like demoed with LifterLMS, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and holiday season.